Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disassemble Acer Aspire E5-532 model. Rotate it on the back side and unscrew all of the screws we see here on the back cover. This screw is for the optical drive. Unscrew it and slide out the optical drive. And we have 3 more screws to unscrew. We have here 3 more screws which are underneath the optical drive. Now, using a sharp tool, open here a little, then continue with the plastic opener. So, to replace the hard drive, just lift it up slightly and slide out the hard drive. Then place this bracket onto the new hard drive and place it back to its place. To replace or upgrade the RAM memory, just push aside these 2 metal holders and it will pop up. Then place the new module and push down. To clean the CPU fan, unscrew the 2 screws which hold the fan. Disconnect the connector of the fan. lift it up. Yes, it's a little bit dirty. As you know, I use compressed air for blowing out everything from the cooling system. Place back the CPU cooler, screw back the screws, and connect the connector. To replace the BIOS battery, just push it from this side, it will pop up, place the new BIOS battery, and it's okay. And if you want to replace the battery, it's very easy. Just remove the cable connector and place back the new cable connector of the new battery. Place the battery, and that's it. And now in reverse order, place back all together, place the back cover, screw all of the screws, and that's it. So thank you very much. Good luck.